What's the meaning of campanology? Campanology. Campanology.
Campanology. Campanology. Campanology is the study of bells, including the casting, tuning, and ringing of bells. It is an important aspect of church culture and has been practiced for centuries, with variations in technique and style across different regions. Bell ringing can also be a form of music, with complex patterns and rhythms that require skill and practice to master. The study of campanology can provide insight into the history and cultural traditions of different communities, as well as fostering a sense of community and cooperation among those who practice it.